Brian gang, what's good? Big homie back with another sneaker video. All right, I know it's been a couple days since I dropped the video, but FedEx won't let me be great. So I've been waiting on a shipment from Hibbett to get here. It says it's supposed to be here on Wednesday, but now we're saying it ain't gonna be here till tomorrow. So I was trying to hold off on this pair to do the video until I got the other pair so I can kind of do them together. But hey, that's how it works. So I guess it just give me another opportunity to make another video and bring you another video when they get here. Wanted to bring this video, like I said, this will be pair 185 in the LeBron collection. Wanted to bring these to y'all, do a video. Like I said, I wanted to do them both, but hey, I gotta do what I gotta do. So LeBron 23, I got like somebody at my front door. LeBron 23, I got one pair. You see, I got the Miami twice. So when I got those, you know, they were cool. I didn't wear them, you know, out the gate. I waited a couple weeks, and then I was like, you know what, let me wear them to work one day. Let me see how they fit. You know, put them on, wore them to work. It was cool. Start walking and walking and walking. They started squeaking real crazy to me. Kind of like if you had I think it was some Jordan 11s and 13s a while back, they used to squeak, you know, so that kind of threw me off a little bit. Then, you know, the Miami twice got that foam creased up. I ain't gonna say real bad on me, but it did give me some decent little creasing in there. So kind of, you know, threw me off on that. So I kind of fell back from the 23. But, you know, I'm seeing colorways that I like now, so I'm jumping back into them, and they're going on sale. So definitely going to always catch a sale. So I definitely had to grab these. So like I said, I got the Miami twice. Seen these. Dick's had these on sale for $125. So that's like a no-brainer. So I had to jump on them and get them. So without further ado, LeBron 23 grand opening. Now this colorway, you know, it's an iconic Bron colorway because we know, you know, where it came from with this grand opening, or the debut, whatever you want to call it. I think they called this one the debut. They calling this one the grand opening, but you know, same concept. This one was made after this. And me personally, I would have thought that this, you know, would have been like the outro. But like he said, he already got the 23, you know, in the works. But that don't really mean nothing because I mean, we seen Jordan, they kept the line going. Everybody kind of keep their line going. But I thought it would have ended with the 23. But Brown might still end trying to play some more because you know you got to do a farewell tour. Jeez, I can't talk right now. But let's get back to him. So LeBron 23. Now, hold on. One thing we definitely got to go over real quick is this box. Now, I'm 6'3", 285. You see this box, you know, compared to me. So I can only imagine, you know, some of y'all just a little bit smaller. But they did kind of go crazy with this box. And I know everybody talks about the box. If you have not seen the LeBron 23 box in person, just go check the box out. Now this one, you know, I don't really trip on boxes, but you know, it was kind of banged up when I got it. I opened these up, was going through the box. Guess what I found? Found some wrapping paper. So somebody got these for Christmas. Guess they didn't like them, didn't like the way they fit. Took them back, but it was still wrapping paper in the box. So there's actually another piece. Like I said, for y'all who haven't seen the LeBron 23 box, where's the front? I think it's on the other piece. There's actually another piece that goes on the top of this box. What you see on the top, we got the logo. Got the logo right here. And they got the handle on this side. But when you get into the box, we got the book. Then we got the pen or the pendant that comes with it. So like I said, there's another piece that goes on this. Then you gonna take the top off of this. Got this plastic piece. Take that off. Inside we got the book, Forever King. Got all the stats in the book. Then they come with this pendant on this one. Lot 004 LBJ. This pendant, that's pretty dope. I like this logo. This is one of my favorite Bron logos. You know, they put it there. And they got it on the back of the shoe. The LJ23 logo is probably one of my favorite Bron logos. But yeah, that box is crazy. And the shipping box is even crazier. So back to the shoe. Like I said, I got another pair because they was on sale I got these at Dick's for $125. And they got another pair I found on Hibbett for $160. And I've been looking for this pair. So I finally, you know, $160, I was like, all right, I couldn't find the 13 nowhere. Seen it on sale. I was like, I'll grab it. Said it's supposed to be here tomorrow, so I'll record the video tonight, you know, or tomorrow whenever they get here. And, you know, get that up as soon as possible. But LeBron 23 grand opening, you got that white and red colorway. And I don't know what print you would call this in there, but you can kind of see the design in the print. I don't want to misspeak. But, you know, you got the gold logo. You got the gold Nike check on the side. You got the gold LJ23 logo on the back. Clear sole. I've actually worn these. So wifey and I went out the other night. I was like, you know what, let me go and throw these on, see what they, you know, see if they squeak like the other ones. But they actually don't, which I was surprised and I was happy at the same time. So these are actually pretty cool. A little narrow on the toe box for me. You know, I got a wider foot. So, you know, these were a little bit narrow, but I think just with, you know, some more wears, it'll probably get a little bit better. But I mean, with all the pairs I got, I don't wear them constantly over and over again. So I guess I'll break them in at some point, sometime. So minor differences from the Zoom generation to this one. Not too many, but a few. So this one's got, you know, more hints of blue. This one's got more hints of black. And that's pretty much the only difference. The back, see the difference? I still ain't unds these. I'm kind of scared to wear these. I want to get that Cleveland jersey before I wear these, but I'll wear them. And on the inside, they got 11/5/2003 on this one, 10/29/2003 on this one. Dope pair. Like I said, you know, a nice little union to get them both. Like me, like I said, I'm always Captain Colorway. I'm Captain Collection. So I like to get all the pairs that kind of come out, you know, in the same set. So glad to have these. I got the Miami twice. I've seen the color in the South Beach that I like, but I come to find out that's possibly a GS. So I didn't get my hopes up too high for that. So hopefully if we get a South Beach, it'll actually be a South Beach in the same line of color, you know, in the same color scheme that we've got in the other ones. But from that one, I want that South Beast. I know that South Beach came, but they were saying potentially we'll get a South Beach. So, I mean, you never know. It's 23 colorways that's supposed to drop. But, you know what I mean, with the PEs and everything else, we're going to end up with like 50. So you never know what's going to drop. That Hardwood Classic, I'm hearing that's supposed to drop, but that wasn't on the initial rollout, I don't believe. But, hey, I'm here for it. So kind of getting into my groove. Like I said, they're going on sale. I know it's going to be pairs I got to pay retail for if I want to get them. But, I mean, I'll do it if I have to. But if I can wait, because like that Redemption pair, that Max Menace, I want to get that one. There's a lot of them that I want to get. And like I don't want to pay 200, 210, but if I have to, I mean, I might. I'm not going to say I will, but I might. Because, you know, wifey going to make the last decision on it. So, I mean, it is what it is. But comment down below what you think about the 23. If you got any, you're looking at some, you're trying to get some, what size you need, what's your price, what you waiting till they go down. I see a lot of people saying, well, I'm going to wait till they $99. I wear 12 and a half, 13. That's definitely going to be gone. So, like, I'm trying to grab my pairs when I can grab my pairs. So when I saw these, shouts out to homie Jim Heat 23. He hit me up and was like, hey, bro, shoot over the Dicks. They got them on sale. I think they had this one. And then they had they got the Bubble Boy for like 160. That's probably going to go on sale for a little bit, you know, lower here pretty soon. But I'm out here. So I'm trying to get them. I wasn't on 23s tough. I was on 23s, got that first pair, then Miami twice. They started squeaking, you know, all that kind of threw me off of them. But now, you know, I'm coming back, I'm bouncing back, and they're going on sale, so that's right up my alley. So like I said, comment down below if you got some, if you're looking for some, what you think about them, if you like them, if you don't like them, just let me know. And check me out on Instagram, Big Homie Kicks 80. I'm always there talking kicks. Just hit me up and let me know, you know, what you want to see next. Because one pair 186, like I said, is on the way. So as soon as that pair comes in, throw the video up for y'all. So I'll get at y'all in the next one.